Okay, we're going to open up this thing. Hasn't been opened up in probably 50 years, so let's see what's inside. This thing. Holy moly. Appears to be on hinges. Oh. Spider webs. All right.
Show me your disappointed Geraldo face.
I was hoping for like a skeleton or a time capsule or something special.
And you got a spider?
And I got black widows. Ooh. Hold on.
We're coming with you. You're gross. A 1980s Mountain Dew cup or can.
Look at that. Look at that.
Priceless.
History right there.
Ooh, a flannel shirt of some sort. Gross.
Whoa. All right. Well, we needed to get in here anyway because our electrician needed to get in here. So. Oh. Little telephone.
Nice.
And what is that? Strawberry shortcake?
No. Creepy princess doll, I don't know.
All right. Boldly going where nobody wants to go.